Crafty fam, how are you doing? So today we're going to do a what I got for Christmas video, and nothing is like Christmas, and so let's get started. So me and my family do Christmas for a week, so that's why these videos will come out like on New Year's or the first week of January. So that's why. So my first big present that I got on Christmas Day was a silhouette 4-foot tree. Let's bring this closer. Hold on. I'll put it down. So, my first present was a silhouette 4-foot tree. I already have it out of the box. It's just a box because on a silhouette 4-foot tree. And with it, I got a whole box of vinyl. Some non-permanent vinyl, and permanent vinyl, and non-permanent vinyl back here to go with my silhouette. Then the second day was sibling night, and my brother, Captain 51, gave me this awesome Nintendo split game called the Big Brain Academy. And my sister got me this cute little makeup bag that said love. It was this nice metallic purple with a little heart keychain and pretty faces. I just used this on the flip we went this week. So, yep, got most of my siblings. Then the next night, I got my first gift from my parents were, I already wore this, so that's why there's a stain on it. My favorite merch from my favorite YouTuber, and you just with one, just in the comment. I love her content. So I got this purse, and I also got this purse from my parents, also from Mariah, one of this month, and one of her Swifties. So, and then, today I got, so when me and my parents went out of town, we went to Christmas Town, and my parents let me pick out this squishmallow within a little elf, and I just named him Elfie. You know, oh, they think dog, like, oh my. And then today, on New Year, my parents gave me another little squishmallow of a lion with this rainbow mane, which is super cute. Okay, and also, they gave me this chair that I'm sitting in for my room. So you will see a lot of videos, me and Michelle. Then they also got me this flippy octopus. This is happy and this is angry. Happy, 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 and angry. I'm gonna switch to happy right now. Just set her right here. Then, last night, I got this awesome. I have the friends happening that right here that you can kind of see in the corner. But this is not me. You know, when appointment was under bill tonight and the rest of the day because the day I'm doing something is in New Year's. So this was my friend last night, but I'm so excited to know this. It's gonna take me at least a few weeks. That's all the big presents that I got is here in my stocking. I'm gonna show you what I got in my stocking because I think that's gonna be there goes. The first thing I got in the minister with mellow, different names behind my back. So I got a mini squishmallow, got some cotton candy plus, which is super yummy. Then I got this magnetic thing. It holds four in a row, but basically connects four. I got this in my shopping. And then this is my favorite. You see a theme here. I got a friend set of playing cards, which is like so fun. Then I got this little cute notebook in my shopping. Also, so very cute. Little notebook that I can like write notes in. Then painting bottom here and a bunch of candy, a plastic oval, and a bag of jelly. And another hog. So that's what I got for Christmas this year. Thank you to my siblings, Captain 51 and my sister and my parents. And thank you, Anna, for my grandchildren. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The day I'm filming something is in New Year's Eve, 2022. And next year's video is gonna be more probably in the corner, mostly for most of my videos. Next year I'm changing it up a little bit, but not too different. I'm still gonna do craft videos every once in a while, but not as heavy, like not as, how I explain it, not as heavy focus on craft, but it will be more focused on lifestyle videos. So probably we'll see this corner a lot next year, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna try to do this every year, and please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm literally so close to 50 subscribers. My goal for 2022 is get to 50 to 100 subscribers, roughly or more, but we only subscribe if you like craft and lifestyle content. And please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really shows me what type of videos you guys like. So, and check out my Instagram at Whatwoman. I do a lot of behind the scenes stuff. Like I take a lot of behind the scenes photos I show you guys, and I also do a lot of Instagram stories where you guys actually get to vote on thumbnails and a bunch of other stuff. And I can't wait to see what this new year brings. And bye, crafty fans!